Hello intellectuals, I am Thakur sir and you are watching this video in Digital Maths Academy. I will be uploading lots of maths videos. Please not to forget to like, subscribe and share my videos. Hello valuable learners. In Digital Maths Academy, we are going to talk on very important topic. What's the value of sin 90 degree minus A? That's A means any angle. The value of tan 270 degree plus A. Value of sin 180 degree plus A, where A is any acute angle. All these types of value we are going to find out from the cast rule. What is cast rule? Cast. C stands for cos. A stands for all. S stands for sine. And T stands for tan. The cast rule is also known as ASTC. That's after school to college. To explain about the cast rule, let's we have two lines mutually perpendicular to each other. Then we have here four quadrants. It is your first quadrant, that's your second quadrant, it is third quadrant, and the last one is fourth quadrant. First quadrant begins from 0 degree to 90 degree. Similarly, second quadrant begins from 180 degree to 90 degree. That's 90 degree to 180 degree. Third one from 180 degree to 270 degree. And the fourth quadrant is from 270 degree to 360 degree. In the first quadrant, we represent it as A. A means all positive. All positive means sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, secant. All the trigonometric ratios have positive in the first quadrant, that is from 0 degree to 90 degree. In second quadrant, that is yes. Yes stands for sine. Sine and its reverse, that's cosec. Both are positive in second quadrant, and the remaining all sine, except sine and cosec, the remaining tan, cot, sec and cos are negative in the second quadrant. That's remaining are negative. Similarly, in the third quadrant, that is T, that is tan and its reverse cot are positive, and the remaining all are negative. Remaining negative. In the fourth quadrant, that is cos. C represents for cos, and its reciprocal, that is sec, are positive, and the remaining all the trigonometric ratios are negative. In the first quadrant, if theta is any acute angle, then 90 degree minus any acute angle lies in the first quadrant, and 360 degree plus theta also lies in the first quadrant. In the second, 90 degree plus theta and 180 degree minus theta lies in the second quadrant. The range of third quadrant is 180 degree plus theta and 270 degree minus theta. Similarly, in the fourth quadrant, 270 degree plus theta and 360 degree minus theta. Theta is an acute angle. After that, we have here angles, and here means all sine, cosec, tan, cot, cos and sec. I have already explained it. A means all positive, yes means sine, cosec positive, remaining all negative. T means tan, cot positive, remaining all negative. C means cos, sec positive, remaining all negative. Now we are going to discuss about under which case the trigonometric ratios change and under what condition the trigonometric ratios do not change. Let's we have here vertical line, that's 90 degree and 270 degree. In the vertical line, we see that 90 degree plus or minus theta and 270 degree plus or minus theta. Under these cases, trigonometric ratios change. How they change? Sine changes to cos and cos changes to sine. Similarly, tan changes to cot and cot changes to tan. Likewise, sec changes to cosec and cosec changes to sec. For example, sine 90 degree plus or minus theta, doesn't matter, plus or minus theta, that will change into cos, because there is a 90 degree plus minus theta. Okay, so if there is a sine 90 degree plus or minus theta, doesn't matter, because sine is positive in the first as well as in the second quadrant, so that means that's equal to cos theta, positive cos theta, because sine is positive in second quadrant as well as in the first quadrant. If I find here tan 90 degree minus theta, 90 degree minus theta means the first quadrant all positive, and here is 90 degree minus, so its value will be cot theta. Similarly, if we have here cos 270 degree minus theta, here is 270, so cos will change into sine, but 270 degree minus theta lies in second quadrant, so except tan and cot all are negative, so cos gives negative value, so it will have minus sin theta. The next one is, just I'm going to talk about the next one. The next one is here vertical line. So, that's a horizontal line, that is 180 degree, and here is 360 degree. So under 180 degree plus or minus theta, or 360 degree plus or minus theta, under this case trigonometric ratios do not change. For example, if I write here sine 180 degree minus theta, what will be its value? The 180 degree minus theta lies in second quadrant, here is 180 degree, so do not change. So this becomes sine 180 degree minus theta becomes only sine theta, positive sine theta, because 180 degree minus theta lies in second quadrant, it gives positive value. But if there is sine 180 degree plus theta, that goes in third quadrant but do not change, so its value will be minus sine theta. Similarly, let's we choose another trigonometric ratio, that is cos 360 degree minus theta, that gives positive, that's cos theta only, because 360 degree minus theta lies in fourth quadrant and cos gives negative value. But if there is tan 360 degree plus minus theta, it gives negative value, that's a minus tan theta, because in fourth quadrant tan has negative value. But when there is a 360 degree plus theta, all gives positive value, because 360 degree means always positive, it lies in first quadrant, so sine 360 degree plus theta means sine theta. Similarly, sec 360 degree plus theta, cosec 360 degree plus theta never change. So respected valuable learners, intellectual learners, if you like this video, then please like, subscribe and share for such type of videos. In the next video, I'm going to give some more examples of these trigonometric ratios, that is cast rule. About the cast rule, I will give some questions also, then I will solve the questions, and similarly that's I will be uploading lots of videos regarding optional mathematics, compulsory mathematics, trigonometry, all the chapters. So never ever forget to like, subscribe my channel. Thank you.